This is a circuit tester set. We have a battery holder with battery, we have a light bulb with a light bulb holder, and we have a circuit tester here. So this part is not connected by the wires. Every part is connected except here. So let's try whether this piece of plastic is an electrical conductor. Doesn't light up, so this is plastic is not an electrical conductor, right? Iron nails, iron, light up, so iron is an electrical conductor. So we have a, this is ice cream stick, wood, doesn't light up, so wood is not an electrical conductor. Then we have brass. Brass is a kind of metal. Yes, brass is an electrical conductor. Then we have a rubber band, rubber, doesn't light up, so rubber is not an electrical conductor. So we have here a steel, a piece of steel pipe, light up, so steel is an electrical conductor.